everybody, I am Jeanette Schiller, independent of distributor for GelMoment's. Today I'm going to show you how to use the amazing Optimum foot file buffer. This is comfortable, lightweight to the touch. The handle is a little bit of a grip to it. It's high quality stainless steel and it only removes the rough areas of your skin. And once you're done, you just pop this off and you dump it out, you rinse it off, and use it again. You're going to use it on dry feet. So now if you're anything like me, I do not like to wear shoes or socks. I like to be bare feet in the summer, so my feet do get quite calloused up and chewed up. So today I'm just going to show you how easy this is to use. Like, it's absolutely amazing. And once again, you're going to use it on a dry foot. You don't want to use it on a wet foot, just because you want all the filings to be able to go into the bottom of the pan. The more that you use it, if you use it every single day, you're going to have baby soft feet. And you can already see, like, I'm hardly putting any pressure on, and my heels, the dry areas are just rubbing right off. So if you get in the habit of using it every single day, then you're not going to have to use it as often on your feet. My feet, like I said, are quite bad because I do like to be outside with no shoes in my bare feet in the summertime. So there, I think I did the heel pretty good. Just kind of going back and forth very gently. You don't want to hurt your skin or rub it raw. So now I'll just show you. So just from gently rubbing it there, you can see all the dead skin that I have in there. And my feet feel amazing. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to do the tops of my feet. My feet aren't too terribly bad because I do get into the habit of using it every day. There, I don't know how well you can see, but my foot feels nice and soft. I need to just go over the corners a little bit. Very convenient that it catches into the plate, so you don't really have to worry about dead skin all over the place. So there we go. So you can kind of see there's not a ton in there, but there's enough in there, so I'm just going to take it and I'm going to rinse it off, dump it out, rinse it off, clean it up, and it'll be good to go to use for tomorrow. Once again, this is the Optimum foot file and buffer. Amazing product, very reasonably priced, high quality built. The handle has got a little bit of grip, good enough that you can hang on to it while you're filing your foot. Thank you for tuning in and watching my video. I'm Jeanette Schiller, independent distributor of GelMoment's. Have a great day.